Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrading-solutions.com on a Friday, 8th of March. Yeah, we had the obviously the non-farm payrolls. We have a big reversals happening. Let's get right into the charts. I have a class coming up that's actually probably apropos what's going on right now with the NASDAQ futures blowing through a supposed supply zone and then coming right back, reversing. But a lot of choppy trading. That's just been the situation here at the all-time highs. But notable was, again, the big reversals in NVIDIA and some of the semi stocks. Let's get right into the charts. I have the class coming up on Thursday. Go ahead and sign up. I'm already getting filled up. So yeah, go ahead and register in the link below. Let's get right into the charts here. And first thing, we're looking at the VIX. The VIX did jump initially, came right up to 1550 this morning. And then kind of sold off here. You can see came right up, didn't really break above 16, which was really the target, which it would probably have set up some more selling. Notable again, other than the averages, which everybody knows, we're in rollover right now. So it's kind of weird because we're going to get a big gap on the charts here. The big reversal in NVIDIA is the big note today. Didn't get a ton of follow through. So it's going to be interesting if the buy the dip comes right back in Monday. Or we came right up to the support here, 870, 100-point reversal. We'll see, in fact, if this turns out into anything. But, the size of that, the magnitude of that reversal does, raise some eyebrows. So we'll see if that actually, again, is the beginning of something bigger. I was actually expecting this to have some follow through into the close. For now, they're holding it right here. And, that sets up for a nice possible even supply zone up here at 8,950 if we get another launch back up, because now you saw the big selling coming in. So that's really the most notable. I mean, the S&P futures kind of going through the rollover this week with all the different variations in price. Thinkorswim doesn't roll it over till Monday. We still have volume on the March, but really nothing new here. Again, maybe a false breakout in the NASDAQ. We had that before here, if you recall. I wrote about it and didn't turn out into anything. Whether this now actually turns out into a big reversal, we are coming down into some levels here. Everything else really, rates didn't do anything. Dollar didn't do anything. Nothing notable here. We're getting into rollover. The dollar did bounce off of this area here. Gold also continue to go higher. Maybe there's going to be a big reversal in gold. We're looking for that here. We did have a grain report today, and the grains did pop on that. We were trying to get long soybeans, and that didn't come down far enough to get us filled. This may be the beginning of, again, something starting up here. Maybe grains are putting in a bottom. Still remains to be seen clearly. So we'll see if that turns into anything. Notable was the reversal in soybeans, more or less. I mean, the whole grain complex really did pick up a little bit, but the clear winner here today was the soybeans. Again, didn't actually touch any level per se. Kind of looking at these levels down in here. We'll see if there's any follow through on this. Other than that, really, oil just doing what it's doing. This is also just chopping around. Stocks, Apple, the other stock, try to lift today. They did try to lift it a little bit and then faded into the close as well. Everybody's talking about, that Apple now will pick up the slack that NVIDIA may be, but I don't think so. Apple faded hard into the close here, and also in Tesla just continues to be weak. There's nothing there. I don't see anything on Tesla until we get down into the possibly down into the 165 area or so, maybe even lower. Who knows? I mean, if we got to start a correction, this thing probably goes down to 100 again. Who knows? It's interesting. So anyways, that pretty much sums it up. I mean, nothing else really notable. Just a lot of choppy trading, no follow through. Unless you're super nimble, obviously it is what it is. But I think next week we got CPI, PPI, we got some more earnings, Oracle, that could change things. But it's starting to look a little frothy, and it's starting, that big reversal. Again, we'll have to see if that means anything, if we get some follow through on that one. Okay. All right. I will, have a good weekend. Again, sign up for the class coming Thursday, and for the newsletter and so forth. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk on Tuesday. Take care.